Should I replace with this chat? You think
Yeah,
my
this
game?
side's even
Oh
more
my
amazing.
god!
Take you laid back. Why not make
Clean.
2 NVMEs? We can definitely do that.
Chat, this is gonna be my
We can
first
definitely do
like.
that. There's a top to this too. Here.
My first like clean build.
let
All
me
my
switch
builds are
camera
kind of
angles.
like
This is kinda
sloppy, you know what I mean?
different. I
Like,
haven't done this
I've had
before.
cases that didn't fit properly, and I had to
this is the
like
top of the case.
fucking saw through them. And
Alright, sounds good.
oh
Go
my
back.
god,
Ooh.
Sign up and on duty.
Ooh.
Sign up and on duty real quick upstairs.
Ooh.
Okay.
I'll help him. Yeah, hold on. Yeah,
That
you-
is
This is the first time
clean.
I've tried this. This is actually
Okay, pull up your radio. Look at me.
framed perfectly. Why is there another
I know.
build spec on there? Which one is this? There we
but
go.
bro, I've had cases
that's a
where
little preview for later tonight.
my stuff
But
just
yeah,
doesn't even fit, and I've had to
this
like
is gonna
saw
be
through the
nice.
case, and wires are sticking out.
Check it out.
This is my first good. The one I have now is
Ooh.
pretty clean, but this is my first like clean
Yes,
build.
and then I'll do a front tip. Get a little peek inside.
Definitely my
Look at
best
that,
build.
A bare case ready to be built in.
By
with
far.
All the wonderful parts I have stacked up beside me. So what should we